how to do this thing in Studio Lite. Okay, so you go to Starter GUI, go to screenGui. This is so easy. Now you go to LocalScript and then put this thing in. It will be like it will be in the description. Wait. Paste this thing. Okay. When it finishes loading, get out of it and then play. And then wait a little bit and you can do this. Also to change it, go to line 27. Go to line 27 and find this title text thing. Now you can put your thing in. Test. Also it works. Test. Anyways, goodbye.